Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would, this is your top brake light on a 2011 Honda Fit. This, if you got to replace it, you're going to replace the whole unit because it's LED. So the whole thing is all LED. But you got to remove the unit by just pushing these clips in. The one on one side. And then you might as well undo the electric while you're at it. Just push the clip, pull out, there. And these are number 10. So there's 2 bolts to be done. And just kind of gingerly pull it out. You pull that whole unit off, you get a new one and replace it because it's a bunch of individual little LEDs inside here, and it's not replaceable of the bulbs themselves unless you want to solder stuff. But you literally just buy this whole unit, and then once you get your new one, and you're just going to go back through the same repeat. And it's got those tabs. Just going to push it in. It'll hold it into place there. Go ahead. You can hook the electric back up. And then just put the 2 number 10 bolts in and tighten. All tightened up, and just pinch the cover over, snap it into place, and that's how you replace the upper, rear, middle brake light on your 2011 Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.